It was a sunny Saturday morning. Anna, a young woman, decided to take a walk to the park. She liked to walk there every weekend. She enjoyed the fresh air, the sound of birds singing, and the smell of flowers in the park. She wore her favorite blue jacket and her comfortable shoes. Anna had a small brown wallet in her bag. She always kept it safe because it had money, her ID card, and a few photos of her family. She liked to know her things were safe. On the way to the park, she saw children playing with a ball. How nice, she thought. I love seeing people happy on weekends. She walked slowly and enjoyed the sunshine. When she arrived at a small cafe near the park, she decided to buy a coffee. The cafe was busy, and the smell of fresh bread and coffee was everywhere. She waited in line patiently and finally reached the counter. "Good morning." "What would you like?" asked the barista with a friendly smile. "I would like a cappuccino, please," Anna replied. "Of course." "Small, medium, or large?" "Medium, please," Anna answered. "Anything else?" "Maybe a slice of cake or a croissant?" "Yes, a chocolate croissant," Anna said. The barista smiled. "Would you like it warm?" "Yes, please," Anna said happily. She paid and sat by the window. She looked at her phone and saw a message from her friend Lisa. Lisa wanted to meet her at the park in 20 minutes. Anna finished her coffee, stood up, and left quickly, excited to meet her friend. She walked through the streets, enjoying the warm sun. She did not notice that her wallet had fallen from her bag on the cafe chair. When Anna arrived at the park, she saw Lisa waving. "Hi, Anna. Did you bring your wallet?" Lisa asked. Anna opened her bag. Her heart stopped. Her wallet was gone. She felt worried and a little nervous. "Oh no, I think I lost my wallet," Anna said. "I left it in the cafe." "Don't worry," Lisa said. "Let's go back and check. Maybe someone found it." They walked quickly back to the cafe. Anna's heart was beating fast. She hoped someone had found it. At the cafe, she asked the barista, "Excuse me, did anyone find a brown wallet?" The barista smiled. "Yes, a man gave it to us. He found it on your chair. Anna was so happy." "Thank you so much. You saved my day," she said. She checked the money and her ID. Everything was there. Lisa laughed. "See? Everything is okay. But next time, I will watch your bag." Anna smiled. "Yes, I will be more careful. But now, I can enjoy the park." They walked back slowly. Anna wanted to look at the flowers and trees. She liked the small details in the park. The ducks swimming in the pond, the children feeding them, and the old man reading a newspaper on a bench. Anna and Lisa sat on the grass. They fed the ducks and talked for a long time. Anna told Lisa about her week at work, and Lisa told Anna about her new book. They laughed at small stories and enjoyed each other's company. The sun moved slowly in the sky. The park became quiet, and the sky turned orange and pink. Anna realized she felt thankful for her friend, the kind man who returned her wallet, and the little things in life. "I learned something today," Anna said. "Always check your bag before leaving a place. And always appreciate small acts of kindness," Lisa smiled. "Yes, that is important. Small things can make a big difference." Anna and Lisa walked home together. The city lights turned on, and the streets became calm. Anna felt happy, relaxed, and grateful. It was a small adventure, but it taught her to be careful and to enjoy every moment.